In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use button blocks in Squarespace. Whether you're setting up a brand new site or enhancing an existing one, button blocks play a crucial role in improving your website's functionality and aesthetics. So, let's dive right in and get you started with making your Squarespace site more engaging. First things first, we need to access Squarespace. Start by opening your browser and navigating to the Squarespace website. Make sure you log in with your account details. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page. Take a moment to look around and familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't used Squarespace much before. Now, head over to the left bottom corner of your screen and locate your profile icon. Go ahead and click it. This will bring up a list of your websites. Here is where you'll want to select the website you intend to work on. Once you've chosen your site, click on the Edit option. This will take you into the editor mode where all the magic happens. Now, direct your attention to adding new elements to your website. Look for the Add Blocks button option, which is typically visible once you're in edit mode. Click it to reveal a list of various block options you can add. Now locate and select the button block. Once your button block has been added to your page, it's time to personalize it. Double-click on the button and this will open a text editing window. Here is where you can type in the specific text you want your button to display. Think about text that might prompt your visitors to action, like learn more or contact us. After you've settled on the text, it's time to consider the button design. Squarespace gives you the flexibility to edit the design of your button, making it unique to match your site's style. Simply explore the design options available. You can select various design templates for how you want your button to appear. Moreover, you can further adjust the button's style by clicking on the button itself. A style menu will open. Feel free to explore and choose one that resonates best with the overall design of your website. Color is another crucial aspect of your button's appeal, and Squarespace allows you to change its color effortlessly. Experiment with different shades and see which one complements your site's theme best. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, don't forget the final step. Click Save. This ensures all your hard work is secured and will appear just as you designed it on your live site. And there you have it. You've successfully added a customized button block to your Squarespace site, enhancing its interactive capabilities. Keep experimenting and let your creative juices flow as you continue to build a compelling Squarespace website.